In the case of domestic transport, the administration is often done the same day, because the carrier can hand over the required documents immediately upon returning home. Because international transport drivers spend more time on the road for longer, document flows can be delayed. This will delay the invoicing. Therefore, digitize now. T-Consult offers the advanced mobile on-the-go scanning solution that controls document scanners on board computers, tablets, and smartphones. The scan app Scangaroo is easy to operate. After delivery of the goods, the carrier can immediately scan his documents with the aid of the document scanner. With the app, the scanned documents are automatically passed on to the client, the loading and unloading address. Documents can be added to the TMS system for a complete administration. The invoice can then be sent on the same day. In short, save time, save costs, and accelerate cash flow.